I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will learn a strategy to compare fractions with unequal denominator. The strategy here is write fractions with equivalent fractions with same denominator and then compare, right? So the idea here, we need to write fractions with same denominator. So we are given fractions with unequal denominator. So first step is to write them with same denominator and then compare the numerators. That is how you can actually solve such questions. So this is one of the strategies which we can use. When we say compare, we are basically looking for greater than, less than, or equal to, right? So this is the first one, which we should say it represents greater than, this is less than, and this is equal to, right? So equal to sign. So these are the three signs which we can always use. Now let us take up some examples to understand the strategy. So we are looking for fractions with unequal denominator. So let us say we have a fraction here which is 2 over 3, and then we have another fraction 3 over 4. Now how do we compare them? First step is write them with same denominator, and those are called equivalent fractions. So we'll write equivalent fractions with same denominator. To make the denominator same, their common multiple is 12. 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 3 is 12. So that is how we can actually write them with equivalent fractions with same denominator. So we'll multiply these by 4, right? And these by 3. Both numerator and denominator. So what do you get? You get 8 over 12, and 3 times 3 is 9, so you get 9 over 12. Now once you have same denominator, then it is kind of simple, right? Compare the numerators now, right? So first step is equivalent fraction with same denominator, and then compare the numerator. So when you compare numerator, we know 8 is less than 9, so we'll use this symbol. And that's our answer. You get the point, right? So that is how you should be doing it, correct? So I'll give you some practice questions now to try it out. Follow this strategy to answer these questions. So let's take another 5 over, let us say, 8, and here we'll say 3 over 4, correct? So compare these two. Then we have 2 over 7, and then we could have 21, and let us write 6 here. And the last one here for you is 12 over, let's take it as an improper fraction, okay? So 12 over 5, and let's take this as 14 over, let us say, 10. Compare them. So these are your questions to do. What you have to do is first write them as fractions with same denominator, that is, get the equivalent fractions with same denominator, and then do it, right? So let me do one more for you. Let us say this one. So here we have denominators as 7 and 21. Common multiple is 21. How do you get 21? To get 21, I can multiply these by 3, right? So if I do that, I get 3 times 2 is 6. We get 6 over 21, and here I have 6 over 21. Now both are equal, so I'll put equal to sign. You get the idea, right? So that is how it should be done, right? So try out these two as practice. Equivalent fractions, that is the first step, with same denominator. Then compare numerators, and then choose your symbol, right? Now that is one strategy to do. In the next video, we will learn how to compare these fractions using cross multiplication. So we'll understand cross multiplication strategy next. That is indeed a very helpful way of finding which one is greater, which one is lesser, or when are they equal. I hope that helps. Thank you.